It's your boy DG Got Hustle, man, and we back at it with a whole lot of hustling. In today's video, we're going to be explaining the California law, AB5, how it came about, and how it affects you as an owner-operator. Let's get it, let's go, baby. So let's get into it, y'all. Why was this law introduced, right? Let's figure it out. So it states, AB5 was designed to regulate companies that hire gig worker in large numbers, right? So gig companies, you know what I mean? All these apps and stuff like that, Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, it was designed for those companies was designed to regulate these companies basically, you know what I mean? To make sure that they were doing right by the workers that was working for these companies, you know what I mean? Right? So that's why this whole thing came about. It was to make sure that that sector was regulated as far as being a gig worker, all right? Cool. Who voted for it, right? Who voted for this law? You know what I mean? Who put this into play? So Assemblywoman Lorena Gonzalez was the one who brought this to the attention of the House Senate, right? She was the one that put it on the table. The House Senate then went ahead and voted for it, right? So 60 Democrats and one Republican voted to pass this law, right? 15 Republicans and one Democrat voted to not pass it, right? So that means that more Democrats wanted this law passed than Republicans, right? Whatever. All right, so as I'm doing my research, right, I'm seeing, and this is crazy, right? I don't know if I'm reading this wrong, my perception is reading it wrong, or I'm just trying to feel a certain way about it, you know what I mean? Because I'm not feeling it. But it is saying, who is exempt from this law, right? Who's exempt from this law? It declares that app-based transportation companies such as rideshare, Uber and Lyft, and food delivery companies, Grubhub, are exempt from AB5. Its drivers are classified as independent contractors, right? What? How does that work, guys? Family, please tell me I'm not tripping. Drop in the comments below. Please research, see if you see what I see, but let me know if I am tripping. It states this law was declared for and to regulate companies such as Uber, Lyft, and Grubhub, right? And then it turns around in the same token, and please let me know if I'm tripping. It states that the app-based transportation companies such as rideshare, Uber, Lyft, food delivery companies such as Grubhub are exempt. How does that even work? How did this even happen? What was it? I'm confused, man. As an Uber driver, like, I'm pretty sure most Uber drivers signed up to either, get some side money going, um, to get away from their job, get away, or just to be their own boss and do their own thing, you know what I mean? So at what point as a gig worker or as an Uber driver or as a Lyft driver, I'm not putting no shame on neither one. I'm just saying in my perspective of it, like at which point did they go, I want to be a boss to I need 15-minute breaks and I need workers comp. Like I don't understand how that went about, right? So you basically went from going I want to leave my job, I want to be my own boss to now, you know what? I feel like I need to be back at work now. It doesn't make any sense, man. I don't understand it. I don't understand how you went from wanting to be a boss to basically want to be treated like you're back at work, right? It doesn't make sense to me. I don't know. Y'all drop in the comments below. Let me know if I'm tripping, right? So, does this affect California independent contractors leased on owner operators? Yes, it does. If you are leased on to a company and you are independent contractor and that company delivers freight as well as you, they are saying that minimum you should be hired as a part-time employee with that company because you are performing the same work that that company does, right? Which is weird. I don't know, man. Maybe here's a little scenario. Let's say I work for a dispatch company, right? I'm leased on to them. I'm leased on to a dispatch company and they dispatch me loads every day, right? Now, am I in the green because I'm the one, I am a transporter, I'm an independent contractor, I'm a carrier, right? So I go pick up the freight, I deliver the freight, right? This company I work for doesn't indulge in that. They only dispatch. Now, am I in the green or am I in the red because we're in the same industry, transportation? I don't know, man. Somebody let me know. I'm confused about that. It's crazy. Now, If you are leased onto a company who does have trucks, who does have other independent contractors who deliver and all of that, they are considering that work illegal at this time. They are saying most definitely you need to be a part-time employee with that company. Crazy. Now, for all my drivers in California who actually have their authority, are you safe? Yes, you are. Keep getting your bag, get to the money. You don't have anything to worry about. This is just for leased on owner operators who are working as independent contractors, right? So if you have your authority, you are in the green, you got your MC dot number, you are good to go in California. There is nothing for you to worry about. But man, this whole situation is crazy. I don't get it, man. I really don't, man. California AB5 is so many questions, man. I have so many questions, right? It just doesn't make sense from the beginning. Um, so all my California drivers, man, make sure y'all cool out there. And so I'll give you my own scenario, right? I'm leased on to two companies in California, right? As an independent contractor, right? I'm an owner operator. I'm leased on to two companies in Cali. Since this law has came into play, I'm gonna just keep it real with y'all, man. Y'all know I keep it real. I haven't heard nothing at all. Neither one of these companies have said anything to me about this law at all. They literally still contact me every morning through text asking me, am I available? And basically, am I on duty or off duty, right? There's been no talk. Um, I haven't asked anything just because I'm not in Cali right now, so I won't kind of be putting myself on the hot spot. But I think I'm gonna ask these companies, like, yo, like, am I legal to still move and groove in California as a leased on owner operator with you guys? And I'll most definitely get back at you guys and let you know the answer to that, right? But yeah, it's crazy, man. California law AB5, Governor Gavin Newsom went ahead and signed this law into play, and now it is officially a law in California, man. This is crazy. I don't know, guys. Man, family, y'all get at me in these comments though. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Hit that post bell notification button for every time I drop some of this fire content. Most definitely. It's your boy DG Got Hustle, man. Only thing we doing from here is keeping it rocking. It's a whole lot of hustling going on. We finna turn this channel up even more than what it is. I appreciate you guys, man. It's your boy. Peace.